In this video, we are going to discuss about the sex determination, types of sex determination, and genic balance theory of sex determination in drosophila. So let's start. The sex determination is a process of sex differentiation by which whether a particular individual will develop into male or female sex. As we know that whether we are male or female is one of our more obvious phenotypic characters. So sex expression is governed by chromosomes and genes. In unisexual animals, chromosomes are of two types, autosomes and allosomes. Autosomes are those chromosomes which are similar in their morphology in both male and female and control body characteristics. And sex chromosomes are those chromosomes which are differ in morphology in both male and female and control sex of the individual. So unisexual diploid individual have two sex chromosomes and rest are autosomes. In most plants, male and female reproductive organ are found in same flower. So the flower is known as bisexual or hermaphrodite. For example, in nematode, earthworms, both male and female reproductive organs are found in same individual. Male and female reproductive organs are found in the different flower of same plant is known as monoecious. For example, in maize plant, castor plants, coconut, etc. In some plants, male and female flowers are produced on different plants. It's called dioecious. For example, papaya, date, palm, etc. So, sex determination in plants have following types. The male part in case of plant is known as staminate and female part is known as a festillate. So, hermaphrodite plants are those plants in which both male and female sexual organ is present in one flower. So, such plant is known as a hermaphrodite. Monoecious. These are those plants which bear both staminate and pistillate flower, and their example is a corn, maize. And androecious, referred to as male individual plants bear only staminate flower. Example are the male date and the male papaya. Dioecious, in which female individual plants bear only pistillate flower, and their example is female date, palm. And andromonoecious individual plants bear both hermaphrodite and staminate flower, is known as andromonoecious. And gynomonoecious, the individual plants which bear both hermaphrodite and pistillate flower is known as gynomonoecious, and trimonoecious are polygamous. These are those plants bear hermaphrodite in which both male and female sex organ is present in one flower, staminate only male sex organ and pistillate and only female sex organ. When they are present in a single plant, they are known as trimonoecious or polygamous plant, and their example is a papaya. Hermaphrodite, monoecious, dioecious is again divided into androecious and gynoecious. Gynomonoecious, andromonoecious, and trimonoecious are polygamous. This symbol is used for male, this symbol is used for female, and this symbol is used for bisexual. What is the difference between autosomes and allosomes or sex chromosome? What is the difference between sex chromosomes and autosomes? Autosomes are those chromosomes that do not determine the sex of the individual and in which their morphology is similar in both male and female, while sex chromosomes are those chromosomes which are different in their morphology and control sex of the individuals. Number differ from one species to species. Each diploid organism usually have two sex chromosomes. The autosome that does not exhibit sex linkage, while sex linkage is present in a sex chromosomes are allosomes. Sex determination is of the is takes place by the following mechanism: sex character, chromosomal sex determination, monogenic sex determination, environmental sex determination. First of all, sex character. The primary sex character that two types of gamete is produced. One is known as the sperm and the other is known as the egg. And secondary that all genitalia. For example, gonads, we call them as gonads. And chromosomal sex determination, In a diploid individual, we know that it is represented by 2n and have two types of chromosomes, autosomes and sex chromosomes. So three types of chromosomal sex determination. Sex determination on the basis of sex chromosomes or allosomes, diploid haploid system of sex determination, and genic balance system, or which is also known as genic balance system of drosophila. Allosomal sex determination, or we can say that sex determination on the basis of sex chromosomes. So, six chromosomes X and Y types is present in organism, but in some birds they are of Z and W types. So, six with similar types of sex chromosome containing double X is known as homogametic sex, and with this similar type of sex chromosome X and Y is known as a heterogametic sex or type of sex determination. There are four different types of allosomal sex determination: X, 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 Y, X, X, X naught, X naught, X, X, ZW, and Z, Z mechanism. So, sex determination based on the sex chromosome is of four types, in which the heterogametic is male, XX, X naught, XX, and XY, while in heterogametic it is Z naught, ZZ, ZW, and Z, Z heterogametic female sex determination, and they are present. We will discuss each of them in detail. So first of all, XXXY, female male system, which is present in Drosophila, mane, and some other mammals. And it is also present in some angiospermic plants. In this system, female have two X chromosome. So female is homogametic and produce only one type of gamete, that is X containing ova. And the male has one X and Y chromosome, and it is heterogametic, and it produces two types of sperm, X containing sperm and Y containing sperm. So the sex of the individual is determined by the type of the sperm combined with the egg. So if X containing sperm is combined with X containing egg, female will be developed. When Y containing sperm is combined with X containing egg, male will be developed. So here we can say that the sex ratio between male and female offspring is 1:1. X not female male mechanism. Here the female is homogametic, produced same type of ova, and each type of ova containing X chromosome. In male, it produces two types of sperm. One sperm is containing X chromosome, and the other sperm does not containing any sex chromosomes. So the sperm in which no sex chromosome is present, they are known as nullogametes. So here the sex of the individual is determined by the type of sperm combined with the egg. So here we can say that sex of individual is determined by the sperm. So the X containing sperm, when they are combined with X containing egg, female will be developed, and the nullogametes, or we can say that those gametes which does not containing any sex chromosome is combined with X containing ova, female will be developed. As I have told that it is present in grasshopper and protein or bug, जिसको हम खटमल भी कहते हैं. So XXXO female male system of sex determination is this type. The third one is X naught XX female male system. Here female is a heterogametic and male is a homogametic, and it is present in insect like Pomia. Here female produce two types of ova. One is known as X containing ova, and the other is a no sex containing ova. And male produce same type of sperm, and each sperm containing X sex chromosome. So here the sex ratio between male and female is 1:1, and here the sex of the individual is determined by the type of ova combined with the sperm. So here female is heterogametic and male is a homogametic. ZWZZ female male system. Here female is heterogametic and male is a homogametic, and this type of sex determination is present in birds, butterflies, and moth. Here female is heterogametic and produce two types of gametes are ova, Z containing ova and W containing ova, and male is homogametic and it produce the sperm which containing only a Z type of sperm. So here the sex of the individual is determined by the female, because female is heterogametic. So the sex of the individual is determined by the type of ova combined with the sperm. And the sex ratio between male and female here is 1:1. And diploid, haploid, female, male system of sex determination, it is present in honeybee, ants, and termites. In honeybee, the female have diploid, 32 number of chromosomes. And drones, which is known as males, have haploid, 16 number of chromosomes. So females are of two types. The one female which is large, which is known as queen, and the remaining female is a worker, which collect the pollens, which collect the honey from the pollens. The female which feed on royal jelly develop into queen. The queen is fertile and workers are sterile females. The queen produce haploid eggs. However, haploid male produce haploid sperm by mitosis rather than by meiosis. Meiosis takes place in the female honeybee, ants, and termites, while mitosis is only takes place in the spermatogenesis in male of honeybee, ants, and termites. So here we can say that queen produced two types of egg: unfertilized egg, which converted into drones, are male, and fertilized egg, which in which the egg diploid is combined with a sperm. It produces a diploid larva. When this larva feeds upon the royal jelly, it converted into queen. When it does and when they does not feed on royal jelly, it is converted into workers, and these females are sterile, does not have the ability to produce the ova.